Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw the flag of Cyprus. It's a country in the Europe, and the flag of this country is rectangle in shape. So we have drawn previously a rectangle, and this flag is usually of white color, and it has a map in the middle. Now we're going to draw that map with a color which is closest to that country's national flag. So in this case, we are putting a yellow color, which is quite dark. All right. This is bright yellow, a little darker in it. Okay. So yeah, this is the color. Okay. So you can see the map that has a place in that country's national flag. So we are drawing it in the middle as close as possible the original shape of that country's map. All right. Okay. Now we have to fill up the color in the middle. So let's put the color here. All right. There's yellow color, but it's dark. Okay. So we are filling up the spaces in the middle. All right. So you can see the map. This is almost done. So this is the map of Cyprus in the middle, and it has a the green leaves. Let's draw the leaves here. So the bottom of the branches you can see looks like this. Okay, let's make it a little bold color. After that, it has 5 leaves in each side. Okay, so first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. All right, and 5 leaves on this side. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and one in the middle. All right. Also 5 leaves here. One, two, three, four, five. One, two, three, four, five, and one in the middle. All right, so you can see the leaves here, and the flag is here inside the rectangle. This is the closest combinations of the national flag of Cyprus, national flag of Cyprus. All right, I hope you like the videos. Thanks for watching. You can browse to our playlist to have lots of categories of drawings. You have freedom of choices. Okay, I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on for more updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.